Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 15 feet by 42-inch portable inflatable home outdoor above ground round swimming pool with ladder, 1000 GPH filter pump, and cover. This pool will make your backyard the place to be all summer as your family can relax and play. Get everything you need in one package. This set is constructed of puncture-resistant 3-ply material and includes a 1000 GPH filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and debris cover. Easy Set pools are easy peasy to set up and disassemble faster than a framed pool. Product benefits: Aeration Technology for improved circulation and filtration, improved water clarity, and increased negative ions at the water surface. Filtration pump water uses filter cartridges of Intex Type A or C cartridge. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.